Welcome to the LMS series of Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. I am delivering a lecture on basic surveying in the Department of Civil Engineering. I am taking up module number 4, session 2. The main aim of this session is to make the students to understand the setting up of the plane table, advantages and disadvantages of the using plane table, the sources of error which will be encountered during the observation, precautions that are to be taken during the plane tabling. So the presentation is presented in the following 4 sections: setting up of the plane table, advantages and disadvantages, the sources of error, and precautions that are to be taken during the plane tabling. Setting up of the plane table. So before taking any observation, you need to set up the plane table. Fixing the plane table on the tripod stand. Once the plane table is fixed on the tripod, the tripod's legs are spread for their stability, and after that the plane table will be leveled because we will be taking all the observation in the horizontal plane, and centering of the plane table, marking the north line with the help of the rough compass. So, and the orientation. Next one is the orientation. Orientation can be done by the magnetic needle, or that can be done by taking backside. Advantages and disadvantages of plane table surveying. The plan is drawn by the surveyor himself, while the area to be surveyed is before his eyes. Therefore, there is no possibility of omitting necessary measurement. The surveyor can compare the plotted work with the actual features of the area. Other main advantages are that it is very simple and cheaper than the other types of survey. It is more suitable for small scale maps. No great skill is required to produce a satisfactory work. Work may be entrusted to the subordinates. It is useful in magnetic areas where compass may not be useful. The mistakes in writing field books are eliminated. Disadvantages: it is not intended for very accurate work. It is not suitable during the rainy season. It is essentially a tropical instrument. Due to heaviness, it is inconvenient to transport, and it is also having a number of accessories. So therefore, there is every possibility that they may be lost. There are many sources of errors, instrumental errors you may come across. You may come across the personal errors and errors of plotting. The instrumental errors, these are errors associated with the instrument. The physical edge of the alidade might not be straight. So in that case, a slight deviation from the aligned object will give erroneous observation. The vane may not be vertical. Sometimes when you are sighting an object, so if the vane is not vertical, then there is a possibility that your sighted object will not be proper. The surface of the table may not be perfectly leveled. So due to non-leveling of the table, you may get some erroneous observation. The horsehair may be loose or inclined. The needle of the trough compass may not be perfectly balanced. Also, it may not be able to move freely due to sluggishness of the pivot point. So because of the friction, that needle may not be freely suspended. In that case, the orientation or the magnetic north which is shown may not be accurate or correct one. The table may be loosely joined with the tripod stand. So the above errors are if the proper care is taken, the above errors can be minimized or that can be avoided. The personal errors. So these errors are associated with the personal observer. So therefore, the table may not be centered perfectly. So during the course of centering the plane table, if you are not centered it properly, so then there might be the creeping up the error in the observation. So therefore, the plotted position may not be accurate one. The leveling of the table may not be perfect. The orientation of the table may not be proper. The table might not be perfectly clamped. So if your table is not intact, if it is not properly clamped, there must be the disturbance in, uh, in making the observation. The object may not be bisected perfectly. The alidade may not be correctly centered on the station point. The rays might not be drawn accurately. So while drawing the rays or the resectors, if you are not properly drawing them, then definitely there will be the discrepancy. The alidade may not be centered on the same side of the station point throughout the work. So when you are centering, so if the alidade is not centered on the same side of the observation, then you will be getting some error in the drawing the rays. The plotting errors. So these errors include if you are not using good quality pencil with a fine tip, then there will be the possibility of error creeping in. An incorrect scale may be used by mistake. So sometimes the error may be possibly when you plot the sheet with some incorrect scale. The errors may result from failure to observe the correct measurement from the scale. So when you are converting, so the measured thing on the sheet, if it is not properly converted, then also you may get some discrepancy. The unnecessary hurry at the time of plotting may lead to plotting errors. So if you are uh, hurriedly drawn any plotting, that may be uh, in hurriedness you may have plotted some erroneous plottings. The following are the precautions that should be taken while using the plane table. The defective accessories should be replaced by perfect equipments. The centering should be perfect. The leveling should be proper. The orientation should be accurate. Whether you will be orienting by magnetic compass or you are orienting by the back setting, your orientation must be accurate. Otherwise, so the progress of the work will be get affected. The alidade should be centered. The centering of the alidade should be on the same working side. The working side, you will have to draw the rays, and the sighting should be done on the same side. While shifting the plane table from one station to the other, the tripod stand should be kept vertical to avoid damage to the fixing arrangement. Several accessories must be carried, so care should be taken to ensure that nothing is missing. The pencil should have a sharp point. The distance of the objects or the line should be written temporarily along the respective rays until the plotting is completed. Only the selected scale should be on the table. The measurement should be taken carefully from the scale while plotting. The stations on the ground are marked A, B, C, D, etc., while station point on the map are marked A, B, C, D, etc. Thank you.